Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a Hotmail account in just a few minutes. Even though Hotmail has now merged with Outlook, you can still get your own at hotmail.com email address quickly and easily. So stick with me, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a brand new Hotmail account ready to use. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Here, instead of signing in, look for the Create Account option, usually right below the login box, and click on it. This will take you to the sign up page where your new Hotmail journey begins. Now it's time to pick your email. In the email field, click the drop-down menu and select at hotmail.com, not at outlook.com if you specifically want Hotmail. Then, type in a unique username. If your preferred name is taken, try adding numbers, initials, or variations until it's accepted. Next, create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. After that, enter your first and last name. This helps with account identification and recovery in case you forget your login. On the next page, select your country or region and enter your date of birth. Microsoft uses this to verify your age and tailor your account settings. Finally, you'll need to prove you're human by completing the CAPTCHA verification. Once that's done, your Hotmail account is officially ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully created your Hotmail account, and now you can start sending and receiving emails right away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.